Kristen. I'm excited to sing with you today. Let's sing a new song called Clap Your Hands. Can you get your hands out? Clap with me. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands till the music stops. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands till the music stops. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands till the music stops. Good. All right, let's clap again. This time let's clap or let's tap our hands on something else that can keep a steady beat. Do you have any ideas? Okay, tap on our heads. Tap our heads, tap our heads, tap our heads till the music stops. Tap our heads, tap our heads, tap our heads till the music stops. Another place we can tap our nose. Ready? Tap our nose, tap your nose till the music stops. Tap your nose, tap your nose, tap your nose till the music stops. Let's see, what else can we tap? My shoulders. Ready? Tap my shoulders, tap my shoulders, tap my shoulders till the music stops. Tap my shoulders, tap my shoulders, tap my shoulders till the music stops. What? Okay, there are a lot of things we can tap. I wonder if you have an instrument at home that you can tap with, like some spoons. At my house, I have these rhythm sticks. I'm going to tap them now. You tap your instrument to a steady beat with me. Ready, go. Tap your sticks, tap your sticks, tap your sticks till the music stops. Tap your sticks, tap your sticks, tap your sticks till the music stops. Good. Let's tap our chin. Ready? Tap your chin, tap your chin, tap your chin till the music stops. Tap your chin, tap your chin, tap your chin till the music stops. Good. Can you tap your ear? Ready? Tap your ear, tap your ear, tap your ear till the music stops. Tap your ear, tap your ear, tap your ear till the music stops. Now you have lots of ideas of things that you can tap at your house, so keep singing this song. I think you're awesome. Bye.